Good morning, dear students. I hope you have created a database and a table in MS Access and some records you have been entered therein. In this video, I am showing you how to edit the record in a table or how to modify the data which you have been entered in a table. Okay, so to modify or to edit the record in the table, first of all you have to select the database. You can see here right hand side the table or the database which you have been created. Database which you have been created is existing here. Please see the list. Appropriate database you have to click on. See here, and the database will be loading in the computer memory and giving you the table which you have been created with the required field names and you have been entered the data. Open the table by double clicking. Table is showing you all the records with the field name. Now you have to click on the field where you want to change the record or where you want to edit the record. Say for example, if you want to change this name of the students here, so you click there and start typing or modification. As you start typing or doing modification or editing, you can see here one pencil symbol or pencil icon. You can see pencil icon. It means this cell is in the edit mode and you can enter or you can modify the record. Okay, so here suppose you want to write another name of the person like this and you can modify it. Okay, after modification you have to click anywhere in the cell so that entry can be completed. Okay, now I am showing you if you want to arrange your data within a table. Suppose you want to arrange data in the ascending order or in the descending order. See here, if you want to arrange the name according to the class wise, okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, whatever class, ascending order it should be displayed. So what you have to do, click on the class and here you will be finding one drop down button. Click over there and it is giving you short A to Z, it means ascending order, and Z to A, it means descending order. So we want the record of this table to be arranged in the ascending order A to Z. So click on the A to Z and now you see now the first class, you can see here fifth is existing here, the fifth and then all the eighth and then 9. Okay, so record have been arranged by the class wise. Okay, so in this way you can arrange the record and you can modify the table in the MS Access. Hope it is useful for you and you definitely apply in your computer and you send me the picture as you are sending me. Many of the students have given me the pic of the database or the activity which they have done. So very good, my dear students. Please keep on practicing. Thank you.